Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to enable and disable notification setting on Fruit Ninja 2. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open Fruit Ninja 2 application on your device. Once you launch open the app, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right hand corner. Now, tap on the Enable Notifications button appearing on the display and you will now start receiving notifications from Fruit Ninja 2. You can also enable notification by visiting your device's settings, and from the settings menu tap on notifications. Scroll down and tap on the Fruit Ninja 2 app and you will be able to allow the notification by toggling on this button at the top. If you ever want to disable the notification setting, you can simply toggle off the button, or you can also tap on the disable notifications option from the settings menu within the app. So that is how you can easily enable and disable notification on Fruit Ninja 2 in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.